Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can fix a mobile network problem on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, start by opening the settings, scroll all the way down and open General Management. Right now go for a reset option and you can try to reset the mobile network settings. So this is the first tip. Now let's say if it is not working, so what you can also try to do, just go for the software update and basically check if there's like no new update, because if it is, then it often fixes a lot of problems. Now we can also go for connections, and what you can do, you can go for a SIM manager. I mean, not for a SIM manager. We have to actually go back from this one. We have to go for that was the SIM manager, actually, that was my bad. But here, when we input some SIM cards, we can switch between the 5G and the 4G mode. So sometimes you can just try to set your phone into the 4G mode and check if the mobile network works. And if it is still not working well, what I can recommend you, the basic tip, just to reboot your phone. So click here, restart your phone, and let me know if it works.